Tell me, why are you learning English now? What is your need or requirement?
Yeah, my need is my daughter is in abroad. She and her, she and her three children in Australia. Uh, I had been there 5 years.
Oh, wonderful.
At that time, at that time, my grandchildren speak English. Sometimes they speak Malayalam, but almost they speak English.
Okay, do you make phone calls to your grandchildren?
Yeah, at that time they 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 speak spokenly.
അല്ല,
He's
at that time
speaking.
അവർ സംസാരിക്കുന്നു എന്ന് പറയാൻ at that time they speak എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ മതി.
മതിയല്ലേ?
മതി.
At that time they speak only English.
Okay.
Last week my grandchild, little baby, 3 years old baby, asked me, Mama, you see, yeah, I am sick. Do you go to see doctor? You go to see doctor. Are you scared to injection? Yeah, she speaks fluently.
Oh, so you are lucky because you have grandchildren who can speak English. So what you have to do? You should not waste this chance. Always you have to utilize this chance. Okay. നമ്മളെ വീട്ടിലെ കുട്ടികളും മക്കളൊക്കെ കളിയാക്കി എന്ന് വരും നമ്മൾ ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറയുമ്പോൾ. ആ സമയത്ത് അത് കേട്ട് നമ്മൾ പുറകോട്ട് മാറരുത്.